In this video, we will be discussing where we have to programming. So in Python. So basically, in last video we used Python as a calculator, and we just did here. So will we do everything here? Probably not, because we have to write many lines of code and execute different means at the same time. So how will we write the code? So you have to write a code in a text editor. So it can be any text editor in a PC. So I use NeoWeb in my case. So let me open a browser and let me type NeoWeb. Like it's Vim, NeoWeb, VI, it's kind of same. Then comes something like normal standard text editors like VS Code or Notepad or Sublime, something like that. So basically what you can do here is you can find your best basically what text editor feels the best. At some point some things that you can get in one text editor but you can't get in any other. So if you are if you are comfortable in Vim key bindings, like a Vim key binding is kind of a bit complex and it takes a bit time to learn, but if you learn it, it's very great actually. But yeah, so first of all, how we have to post here. So we will so basically what I'll do here is and and inside this folder, like you can go to any folder you wanted and something like that. But if you want to create a Python file, so it has a rule here. So you can't create a Python file by .txt extension. You have to create an extension which is .py. So I've created a file name like most people use main.py, like it's the standard like for the main file. So but just for this tutorial, like I think I should name it second.py. And yeah, basically I have created my new file which is named second.py, like it's my second tutorial. So second.py, so I can edit it in my text editor here. So I'm using NeoVim. So to activate NeoVim, here is nvim second.py. And like NeoVim cannot be installed in many systems. Like I'm not telling you that you have to use Vim or NeoVim or vi or something like that. You can use a simple text editor also. So many people use Notepad plus plus. If you are on Linux, that it would be Notepad QQ. Actually, not ignore this. And right, you can edit here also. Like it's also great. Uh, I personally like this, and if I just want to like don't use that to be honest, but like okay, that's fine. But yeah, so I hope you guys understand that how you need to do that. So so I will tell you that. So if you want to write something in the console, like I didn't told you in the earlier tutorials, that if you want to type something on the console here, like as it is, so you will do hello world after writing in print and in parentheses. So print and parentheses inside double quotes here. If you want a string here, like something like character, something like this, or a string of words. There I have some like can't have multi-line like this, but there's another way I will tell you in other tutorials. But if you want to write hello world here, like most people write like this, so you can do like this. So it will literally type hello world here, and people might need to do that because so how you need to do like in games like this, like they would just want to just literally print that, and you will obviously need that stuff. So you can also literally do like this and save those changes, and you don't need to run the file. So like write Python, and if you have like Python 3 here, so Python 3 and Python second.py, and it will literally run it. So will our second.py literally print like this 2 plus 2. Actually, let's see this. it gave me no result. So because we have not printed that, but just write this like in console here, hello world, it will also print this. So and this is a REPL, and in REPL basically that's there are some just want to get comfortable, like you can just literally type like this. So like hello world, and first you have to add these codes also, so you can't like literally do this, you can't do this, it will give you error. So what you have to do, you have to type like this, but you have to actually specify that in your file that you have to print that. So if I do say this, and if I do print 2 plus 2, and I've not added any codes here, I will tell you why. So if you execute it now, and no, sorry, so like I'm just excuse me, now run this, now it will give me 4 here. And let me show you why I didn't include it in codes here. So if I do in codes, it will literally type 2 plus 2. So if you want to literally type this, you can you have to put in quotes, but if you have to get the answer of this 2 plus 2, so I will let you know about more about strings and integers and stuff like that um, in our next tutorials, so stay tuned for that. So I hope you guys, you got the idea what I was doing right now. So I hope you've got everything understood, and I will let you know about more about these things just to get uncomfortable in here. I will just like stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like. Thanks so much.